Hello friends, Sam here. So every now and then people talk about slowdown in IT industry. People talk about recession in IT industry. Now in this video I will be talking about three things you have to focus on, you have to take the action in the IT slowdown period. Very first thing, if you are working in some skill and that skill doesn't give you sufficient opportunities in the market or sufficient growth in your current company, change it. Do the reskilling, my dear friends. So first thing I'm suggesting, reskill yourself to something, some hot skill in the market which is in high demand. Second thing, whatever your current skill, okay, doesn't matter, that doesn't have that many opportunities or whatever the problem with that current skill, try to earn money out of that. So most of the time your company might not be utilizing your potential fully, your skills fully. So make sure you earn extra money out of your current skills. That is second thing, earn extra money from your current skill. Third thing, so if you are the only earning member in the family, so specifically in the recession time or in the slowdown time of IT industry, it is very necessary if you have multiple members. Okay, you never know, depending on one member's salary, that might be risky for your family. So what I suggest, find out somebody in your family, maybe your spouse, maybe your brother, sister, whoever, right? Maybe they are from non-IT, no problem at all. They can very well come to IT industry. So put them in some training or put them in some skilling initiative which will empower them to join the IT industry. So that is the third thing. So let me recap which are the top three things I suggested you. First thing, reskilling. Reskill yourself to the high market demand skill. Second thing, earn extra money from your current skills. Third thing, bring your other family member and empower them to become earning member in IT industry. So these three things will very well help you to cope up with the slowdown or recession, my dear friends. I hope you found this helpful. Two things I want to share with you. Recently, I started the free video series on Mulesoft, Salesforce, Tibco, these all products. And I open the registrations for that. So I'm giving you registration link below this video somewhere. You go and register for that. The idea is giving such power pack video once in a week to your WhatsApp. I'm not bombarding, once in a week, and that videos proved power changers for many of the people. They shared feedback with me about that. Even if they're not part of my training programs and all, still they are getting benefit out of these videos and video series. Second thing, in case if you need my help, I do have 20 years of IT industry experience, and in case if you feel I can help you to show you the way, you have some question like you are from non-IT background or you are coming from some Java.NET background, how to shift to the other skill, maybe Mulesoft, Tibco, Salesforce, any kind of thing. If you need any career guidance, book my free 20 minutes call. So somewhere my WhatsApp number, my team's WhatsApp number might be given. Ping on that number and book my call. Okay, I would love to help you guys. That is very free, and that call also proved very useful for many people, so take advantage of that. So that's all for today and see you in the next video. Bye bye.